Oh, this is Tony with All-Star Case Breaks doing a 21-22 basketball and a 21 Prizm football for Old Man River. Let's do basketball first. Let me move this one back here. I want to get to that Cunningham. Let's go, Cunningham. Let's warm up the fingers. The cold fingers. With some fire. Cunningham. Let's go. Dennis Schroeder. Not numbered. Patrick Ewing. Dame. Oop. Base card. Montreal. Tim Hardaway and a blue Davion Mitchell for the Kings. Out of 199. Rookie blue. Zach LaVine. Jalen Green. Not bad, not bad. Let's try to get one of those autos. Jalen Green. Cunningham. That's a case hit. Are you sure? Thought I've pulled multiple of these before. Oh, Zach LaVine. I thought I've pulled them before, so. Okay, I'll reevaluate. Chris Duarte red at a 299. I passed up on this one. This is Damian Lillard. This is case hit. Let's go. If that's case hit. So we're saying this one. Boom. Case hit. Did not realize that was a case hit. Fireworks. What am I doing? What am I doing? David Johnson. Norman Powell. Gafford. Scotty. Kuminga. Oh man. Well, thanks for letting us know. This is cool looking. Prismatic Russell Westbrook. And an Evan Mobley. Let's go. What? Oh, that was on the back of that. Let's go. That is nice. Sheesh. Boom. There you go. I picked you a good box. How about that? How about that? That looked clean. Centering actually looks good. Looks centered, yeah. Dang. Dude, what a box. And then are these are SP, I think? These prismatic? Or am I tripping? Has a bunch of stuff on it. I'll let you wipe that off. I thought the prismatic were tough hits, but maybe I'm wrong. Dirk. Charles Barkley, Fearless. Well, I guess maybe I'm wrong because there's a prismatic right there. Nikola Jokic. That one just looked different. Oh, it's because it's the prism, Sepia, or not Sepia, the other one. I'm tripping. Ray Allen, Jaren Jackson Jr., and Zion. As I say that, we pull 3, so Moody and Greg Brown. Hyper, that's the word. There's just too many different names for me to remember. The hyper threw me off. John Wall. David Robinson cracked ice out of 75. That's nice. Webb, C-Webb, Sharif. Magic. Marbury out of 149. Paul George Fireworks. Joe Weiskamp. Silver. LeBron James hyper. Right? Right.
Do you want me to put Pokemon in the Mounty case?
You can, yeah.
Is there any particular way you want it organized?
No, I'll fix it later if you just want to put them out.
Okay.
That works. Jalen Suggs. Let's go. Out of 25. There you go. I don't know, Ryan. And out of 25, Jalen Suggs. Dude, I picked you a good box. We have like 6 boxes out there. And I grabbed this one for you. So I have this pile right there that I keep forgetting. I just keep putting stuff there, so I need to go through that. Gordon Hayward and an Anthony Davis silver prismatic. And for the Jazz, Ersan Ilyasova. Sheesh. Jalen Johnson. LaMelo. Why does it have his rookie logo on there, though? Alright, so now we are on to The football. Great first box. Let's see a manga out of this. Tom Brady manga. Justin Fields auto and a Tom Brady manga. Monty Rice and a Willie McGinnis. Sensational signatures. Out of 75. This one's out of 199. Monty Rice. Look at that, Brock Lesnar. I didn't know, I forgot that he was on the Vikings at one point. Kadarius Toney and Justin Jefferson. That guy's the best receiver in the NFL, huh? Out of 175. Josh Palmer, Marquise Colton, and a Ben Skowronek. Out of 149. Let's get a Fields parallel. How about that? Now we got both autos. Kadarius Toney, Devin Singletary, and a Saquon Brilliance. Out of 249. And the Brilliance. They all need to have that kid reporter on the back, so I don't have to see who's on the back. Chris Evans and a all-out TJ Hawkinson. Chris Evans is at a 249. Buda Baker and a Ty Law. Buda Baker's at a 199. Frank Darby, Bradley Chubb, and a Antonio Gates. Out of 149. What is that?
Oh, some wax work. Selling off.
Life is expensive. So why is Omar snoozing like a baby? Because he made the smart choice to shop.
Darnell Savage Jr. and a Kyle Pitts fireworks. at a 199. Peyton Turner and a Cameron Hayward. Let's go. Where are the quarterbacks? Where are the quarterbacks at? Tyreek Hill and a Devontae Smith. Tyreek Hill cracked ice at a 225. Najee. Tyler Higbee camo and a Hunter Long. That was out of 15. Tyler Higbee. Looking at that have been a quarterback. Why couldn't that have been any quarterback? Trey Lance. Odell Beckham and a fireworks Trey Lance. Thanks, OMR.